We tried. That's it. Ah, look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. How about that? Look at what we have here, huh? I told you guys. I told you. See that? That's how they do it. So we're going to have to close this like that. Close this like that. And oh, so it's going like that, see? It's going like that, see? So that's it. That's pretty much it. We can try and move this a little bit more. Like that. Okay, that should do it. Okay, that's what's going on. Alright, that's how we do it. That's the best we can do. Yeah? That's the best we can do. But obviously, this is an attempt to create family conflict. That's why the broiler harassment is being community gang stalking as well. See that? The game of manipulation. All right, putting our boards away. And that's it. The party's over. The party's over, guys. Party's over. Party's over. See that? Told you. And the instructions are being given right here. Periodically, working with San Francisco officials, 5135 second floor hideout. See that? That's where instructions of community gang stalking. Okay? That's it. That's after I covered up the windows and I said, the party's over. See that? So there we go. And the lights are still on the vehicle. See that? That's it. Nothing has changed other than they're trying to create some type of reaction, especially with the electronic harassment. Okay? There we go. Moving on. The party is over. That's it, guys. Party's over. That's